Hello, welcome to my Android classroom. Today I want to show you how to make a circular image view in Android, like this. Okay, let's get started. So, before we do anything, make sure you have imported the dependency here. You can find it in the description below. So, here's my main layout. It's a linear layout as the root layout, and I have set the gravity to center for a better demonstration. Okay, so next, we're going to create a CardView and set the width to 80 dp and height to 80 dp as well. And inside the CardView, we're going to create an image view. Set the width to match parent and height to match parent. And next, we right-click on the drawable folder, choose Show in Explorer, enter the drawable folder, and paste the image here. Okay, so now we can set the source to our image. And lastly, we set the radius to the half of the side length of this CardView, which is 40 dp. Okay, that's it. Let's run it. See that? It's really simple. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you next time.